Hello everyone, welcome to part 6 of the 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself series. Here we are, 6 parts in, absolutely fantastic material, really motivational, even gets my blood pumping to do some more stuff. Including make more videos, obviously. Here we are, part 6. So, our 6th part here is about moving your goalposts. So he says that most people's goals are too small and too vague to really have any power. And what really motivates us are big power goals. See, it has power because it's a power goal. Anyway, the basic idea of the power goal is it's a dream that really drives us. And so he says it's not really what a goal is that matters, it's what a goal does. So a goal needs to get us motivated to actually want to achieve it, okay? So this also goes to the work of Bob Proctor, one of my other favorite guys in this kind of self-help area. And one of his best best pieces of material on goal setting was really to go after what you want. Because if you go after what you think you can do, it's not inspiring. You go after if you don't, basically, then it doesn't work, okay? So if you go after what you think you can do, there's no inspiration. You have to go out after, what you want. So think about the things that really inspire you. Build a goal that really gets your blood pumping and gets you inspired. Now, in my goal setting video, I covered the idea of starting with smaller goals to build up to it, because I think that the most important part of the mind is always about belief. Now, that's my own personal take. I feel like people understand desire, they understand action. People wouldn't go after things they don't actually want, and they are willing to take action. The problem is they don't get the subconscious mind involved. The subconscious mind is against them, and so it's like swimming up the river. You get dragged down by it. So you really need the subconscious mind on your side. And as I said, you can use affirmations and other kind of content on this channel to really program that, because that's really what a lot of this self-help material is about. Getting you to believe in yourself, because desire and action are usually in the bag. It's the believing and alignment to your desires that really matters. Anywho, setting a power goal I have always found I'm pretty good at, but I think too many people either set a goal that is way too big that they can never achieve, and that one of the effects it has, always measure the effects. Because if you set a big goal and it's only inspiration, it's only loving emotions, great for you. If you set a goal and there's some kind of fear because it's so big, if you just say okay, you know what, I want more money, so I'm going to choose the goal $400 billion. That number is probably a little bit unreasonable to you, and you'd have to do a lot of stuff to condition your mind to think you could build something that's worth $400 billion. Now, great people in history have done such things, okay? It's not to say it can't be done. It just seems like you should start with something smaller. Now, I kind of go by goal setting in a piece-by-piece component. I say you should have a life goal or a large kind of goal that you should go after that's your power goal, that's really inspiring you. And then you should have kind of mini goals, like I'm working on this project, I'm writing this, or I'm doing this, and whatever, and I'm going to set goals that are going to be in 6 months I expect to be here. And that's more of an expectation than a goal, so I guess mostly what he's considering when it comes to power goals is the large stuff. I suppose most people don't really have a large kind of life purpose. I think that I've just been working on this for years now, so it's kind of internalized that it's just natural to have that, but I guess people just really... I know plenty of people who don't, so it shouldn't come as such a surprise to me. But basically, work on something that really inspires you by having this really large kind of power goal that really just gives you nothing but love, oh man, I can't wait to do this. This absolutely motivates me. That's it for part 6. I will see you guys with part 7 of this wonderful series, and stay tuned.